And now this is the point we've been working towards with the formatting of the document so far, and that is the opportunity to put in an automated table of contents which will pick up the headings that exist within the document and put them down as a table of contents so we don't have to manually write them out. So if we put table of contents, carriage return before it, and just place the table of tables so it begins on a fresh page, we can go back up to table of contents, and equally you might want to put that on a fresh page. So we now have one page which has the table of contents on, and we'd like to insert now the automated table of contents within this. So we're going to go to references and table of contents, and you can use the automated built-in ones if you'd like, but we're going to go through the process of just inserting a table of contents here. This manual method gives you a little bit more control over how it appears. The formatting is very similar to how you format the headings. So we can just say insert table of contents. Within this menu that comes up now, we can see these are the levels that it will show within this. So currently it will show headings to level 3. We could increase this if we wanted to, and equally we can go to the modify tab and we can individually modify the appearance of the table of contents headings that are associated with each layer. One of the things we might want to do is just modify these so the paragraph doesn't have an indentation. We can have a look at it, and we might just want to take off this left indentation just so that they line up all the way down the page. And because we've only got 3 levels, we could do that with TOC 2 and with TOC 3. Just take off that indentation so that they're all aligned to the left hand side of the page. And you can do whatever modifications you'd like from there. The rest of it you can pretty much leave as the default show, and you can just say OK, and at this point now it will drop in your automated table of contents, and you can see down here this is how it will appear. If you'd like to make some changes, such as having your chapters in bold within this, you could click at the top of the table of contents, go back to it. So long as this table of contents is inserted, it will turn grey. You can go back to insert table of contents, you could modify it, you could go into TOC 1 and you could change that to bold if you so wished, and then you could say OK again, OK to this, OK that, and yes, you will replace the current table of contents, and now you have a table of contents where your main headings are in bold, and you can see it picks up your enumeration as it goes through as well. If you want to see exactly what it will look like without the show hide, at this point we can turn it off. Equally you can turn it on again. It will never print with the show hide, but it really does help when it comes to formatting the document, showing you the spaces and the formatting that's been associated with it.